Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video may trigger some people. I'm going to tell you why you should stay with or pick up the LG V40 ThinQ instead of getting the Galaxy S10 Plus. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I've been wanting to do this video for a while now. It may trigger some of my Samsung fans. It also may trigger some of my LG fans to come out also. But I've been thinking about why should you pick up the LG V40 ThinQ over the Galaxy S10 Plus? Or even if you have the V40, why you shouldn't upgrade to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. This video, I'm going to go over my thoughts and my opinions. Let me know in the comments what you think about each phone. If you have the V40, great, let me know. If you have the S10 Plus, let me know in the comments. First reason I'm going to mention why you should pick up the LG V40 ThinQ over the Galaxy S10 Plus is because of the price. You can get the V40 ThinQ on Swapper for about $400. Or if you don't want to do used and you want to buy it from T-Mobile, they're selling it for $600 right now. That's a lot better than $999 with the minimum base model on the Galaxy S10 Plus. The second reason why I'm going to pick the LG V40 ThinQ over the Galaxy S10 Plus or the cameras on the V40 ThinQ, you have Pro Mode for video. So if you are into making videos, doing YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever you want to do, professionally if you do them too, you have more control because you have Pro Mode on the V40. The cameras are great on this phone. I use it a lot to do my videos. When I don't use my Canon SL2, I use my LG V40 ThinQ. Now, don't get me wrong, don't be haters. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has some great cameras on there too. The mics work really good, but I lose control over the white balance, the shutter speeds, anything I want to try to manipulate myself. I cannot do it with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which is a bummer. The V40 gives me the ability to do that. That is why I'm picking the V40 ThinQ cameras over the Galaxy cameras right now, just for the Pro Mode in the video. Now, Samsung can come back and give us an update and definitely give us Pro Mode in the video because they have it on the photos, which is great, but for videos, they don't have it. So that's why I'm picking the V40 ThinQ. The third reason why you should pick up the LG V40 ThinQ is because of the speakers and then also the DAC system in the LG V40 ThinQ. If you are a audiophile, if you like listening to music, if you have some great headphones, the DAC in the V40 ThinQ cannot be touched, not even by Samsung. Again, don't get me wrong, Samsung speakers, even with the AKG headphones that they include in this box here, sounds great, but you cannot compare it to the DAC in my V40. If you like listening to music, you have some great headphones, pick up the V40, put your headphones in there, and you will be amazed by the sounds that you can get from the DAC. It just sounds really good. I love it. I plug my expensive headphones in there and I can jam out all day. That's weird for me to say, but yes, I can definitely jam out. That's 3 reasons so far. Do you agree with my reasons so far? Do you have anything to say? Let me know in the comments. I don't care if you think the V40 sucks. I think it's like the most overrated phone in 2018. Going into 2019, it's still a great phone, but I want to know your opinion. If you have the S10 Plus, defend it. Let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. Now, another reason why you may want to pick up the V40 ThinQ over the Galaxy S10 Plus, I'm going to bring it up right now, is the screen. You may not like the pinholes. You may want the notch over the pinholes. Now, they both have great displays. You know, you have the dynamic AMOLED display on the Galaxy S10 Plus. You have the POLED display on the LG V40 ThinQ with the notch design. So you may like the notch over the pinhole. The V40 has less of a curve on the front. Bam, look at that. See that? It's pretty much flat. It does have a little bit of a curve compared to the Galaxy S10 Plus. It has a curve on there. Some people do not like the curve, so if you don't like the pinhole, look at the pinhole. It's actually a coin slot like Android Stud calls it, and you just want the original notch of 2018, then the V40 still may be for you because you get great colors and you get a great looking display with the V40. Look at that. Also on the back, the design, you pretty much have the same type of design. Bam, the glass backs. What you think about either one? Okay, so the last reason why you should get the LG V40 ThinQ or keep it and not upgrade to the Galaxy S10 Plus is because what you can get for $600, or even if you want to buy on swap it for $450. Think about what you get: a 6.4-inch OLED display, 64 gigs of storage, which you can expand with a memory card up to 2 terabytes. You also have 6 gigs of RAM on this thing. You get the boombox speakers, the 32 DAC audio system in here, which sounds great with the headphones. You also get 5 cameras, 3 in the back. You had the wide angle lens that LG is known for, which the Galaxy S10 and Samsung is copying right now. We all know it. Look at the rear. They almost look the same. Also, on the rear of this one, you have a fingerprint scanner that's reliable. Unlike the Galaxy S10 Plus, which people have been having complaints about, which I don't have complaints about, but other people are complaining about it. Again, you can shoot up to 4K 60 frames per second. Also, like I said, you have Pro Mode on the video. It has a Snapdragon 845 processor in it, so that's last year's processor, which is great. There's other phones that's coming out with that processor now in 2019. You have slow mo on here. You have triple shot as a camera feature. Don't forget you get IP68 water resistance. You get shock resistant. It's military grade standard. Gorilla Glass 5 for the front and the rear. You also get a 3300 milliamp hour battery. There's many features I can go over that you get with the V40. Okay, everyone, so that was the 5 reasons why I would say stick with your V40 ThinQ, or if you're looking for a new phone, decide to pick up the LG V40 ThinQ. It's a great phone. Look at the build. Bam, look at that. It's a great looking phone, and right now, like I said, you can get deals on this phone over the Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, if you agree or disagree with me in this video, let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going, but let's make sure we keep it civil. The BAM Nation is civil people. We can have a simple discussion without calling people names or anything else. So make sure you leave comments. Let's get a discussion going on this video. This is not bashing the Galaxy S10 Plus. I actually like the phone. I love it. I'm loving it. I'm just giving you a perspective on the V40 ThinQ. It's still a great phone. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on both of these phones. Please make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.